So this is possible. Okay, this population survey is possible. Okay, but difficult. Okay, so this population survey is possible but difficult. Why it is difficult means, see, first we want to list all the males, okay, and then we want to measure the height of all the males. So this is time consuming, okay. So time consuming, and the cost will be also more, okay. Cost will be high. Okay, to do this survey, that time will be we will take more time, and then cost will be also very high. Okay, and then we need more resources. We need more resources, okay. Means resources means labor, equipment, etc. Okay, so to do population survey, we need more time, and we need the cost will be more, and the time and the resources will be more, okay. So in population survey is possible, okay, but it is difficult. So we are going for sample survey, okay. So what is the need for sample survey means, see, need for sample surveying. Okay, why we are going for sample survey means to reduce, okay, to reduce time and cost and resources. Okay, population survey is possible, okay, but it is very difficult. So we are going for sample survey, because to reduce the time, cost and resources. Okay, in these three things, so we are going for sample survey. Okay, I will see why we need sample survey, okay. To reduce three factors. Okay, to reduce three factors. First factor is time. Okay, and second factor is cost. Okay, and third factor resources. Okay, that is labor, equipment, etc. Okay, so to reduce these three factors, we are going for sample survey. Okay, so first you will see some basic definition. What is population? Population or universe? Okay, so population means it is the aggregate of units. Okay, population or universe means it is the aggregate of units, okay. And next, sample means a part or a fraction of population is called sample. Okay, so sample means a part or fraction of population is called sample, okay. And then next is sampling. Okay, sampling means the process of taking sample from the population. Okay, so sampling means a process of taking sample from the population is called sampling.